Hello, students. You are welcome to session 4 of Unit 3. And in this session, we are looking at Walker's naturalistic model of curriculum planning. My name is Patrick Eji. Now, by the end of this session, you should be able to state Walker's 3 elements of his model. Then explain each of the 3 elements of Walker's model. Now, Decker-Walker's naturalistic model is based on a descriptive question, and the model consists of 3 elements. So we saw that Tabet's model was made up of 7 elements, Wheeler's model was made up of 5 elements, Tyler's model was also made up of 4 elements, and now Walker's naturalistic model is made up of 3 elements. And these 3 elements are the curriculum platform, the curriculum design, and the deliberations associated with it. Now let's look at the curriculum platform. So the platform talks about the system of beliefs and the values that the curriculum developer brings to his task. And this guides the development of the curriculum. So the various belief systems, the various value system that the curriculum designer would bring whenever he or she is designing the curriculum is what is termed as the curriculum platform. And the platform here is meant to suggest both a political platform as well as something to stand on. So the curriculum platform is the base, something that will give us a place to stand, so that once we have a place to stand, then we can do all the necessary things, we can formulate all the values, the belief systems, we can include all these in the curriculum development process. And the platform consists of 3 basic things, that is the conceptions, theories, and aims. So, what do we mean by conceptions according to Walker? So, the conceptions are the beliefs about the things that are learnable, the things that are teachable, as well as those things that are possible. These are the conceptions. So, beliefs about what is learnable and teachable, and more generally about what is possible constitutes conceptions. Then, beliefs about what is true are the theories. So, for example, a belief that motivation to learn is primarily based on the individual's history of successes and failures. So we have a general motivation theory. So beliefs about what is true are what is termed as the theories. And then beliefs about what is educationally describable are the aims. So here to an example will be teaching children how to learn science. These are aims. So we can have this as the general aim of education, things that we can describe. After learners have gone through the set of instruction, they should be able to explain, they should be able to describe. The beliefs about these educationally describable items are the aims. Now let's look at the deliberation. And here the process by which design decisions are made is what is termed deliberations. So the process through which the decisions for designing the curriculum are being made is what is termed as the curriculum deliberations. And the deliberations, according to Walker, consist of formulating decision points. So we decide what must be the content of the curriculum. Then considering arguments for and against suggested decisions, so that we raise, or the planner will decide that this content must be in the curriculum, this content must not be, but there must be argument for why a particular content must be in the curriculum and why a particular content should not be part of the curriculum. Now when this is done, we now consider alternatives. That is based on the arguments which were for and against the various decision points. We can now consider alternatives. Then we now choose from the most defensive alternatives. So the various decision points in which we are able to defend, we are able to provide tangible reasons that this and that reason, this content must be in the curriculum. We choose those ones to be in the curriculum. Now, the alternatives are then compared in terms of their consistency with the curriculum's platform. And when necessary, we can also obtain additional information or additional sources of data. All these are to help us in order to ensure that the various content that is being selected will help us, or at the end of the day, help to achieve the general aims and goals of the curriculum. Now, how different is Walker's view of curriculum from Tabbe's? How different? Now, Walker's model is less linear than the Tyler's or Tabbe's model. So we saw that Tyler's model is linear as well as Tabbe's model, which is also linear. And in Walker's model, it relegates objectives to a less central position in the curriculum development process. And then objectives constitute only one type of the component. So we saw that the various components of the platform, we have the conceptions, we have the theories, and we also have the aims. And objective only constitute the aims of the platform, the aims of the platform. And there is thus no clear separation of ends and means. So it means that the ends and the means are some way, somehow, have a certain kind of relationship. Unlike Tyler's model, where we saw that there is a means end and the means was separate from the end. Walker's model has no clear separation of ends and means. Students, we have looked at Walker's naturalistic model of curriculum development, and we saw that his model was made up of three elements. And these three elements are the curriculum platform, the curriculum design, and the deliberations that are associated with it. Thank you for joining this session, and see you in the subsequent session. Bye.